Peeling a green plantain is not that difficult, but there are people who don't know how to do it. And today I want to teach you my trick. This plantain has been in the refrigerator to prevent it from ripening too quickly. That's another secret. But anyways, the secret lies in two things: using the right knife and water. Yes, water. And it doesn't matter if you are gonna fry the plantain because you still can use water. The knife should have a blade as wide as this one, so when you insert it into the peel, it helps detach a larger amount of the skin from the plantain. While you are trying to open the plantain, let hot water run over it so that the peel detaches more easily. Lastly, you use the pads of your fingers to slowly peel it off. Keep in mind that there are two types of green plantains, and one of them can be trickier to peel after being in the refrigerator, so hot water helps in both cases. And if you like easy cooking tricks like this, subscribe so you can learn to cook from scratch.